We're going room by room searching for the file.
Files? Okay. You're good.
Is it very small?
They're in contact around the corner to the right. There's a
What the hell's that all
fucking
about?
Geiger counter. Oh, well, yeah.
Guys, we're gonna move off this stairwell. Look forward. Clear up.
Holy shit, look at that stack up.
Go.
What are we doing?
I don't know, I'm just following people that looks like they're hunting action.
Well, they're going down, so they're going up. Going up.
Let's go up. Oh.
So all this has gone your ass this whole time.
What the fuck's the enemy?
Roger, where's security?
I don't know, maybe they're taking the other objective.
All right. Eagle 2.
There's 2 objectives in this one that says they're
Never, Roger.
We got 3
Eagle 3, secure that rear staircase that you're on right now. Secure it. Everyone else with me.
Can we hold up?
Yeah, get Paige back here.
Okay, what's up?
Oh, no. Clear the rest. Yeah, soft clear.
One down, I guess. Is the bomb on this side?
I think it's on 2 and 4. Can we go up to 4 to look for it?
I don't know if there's another stairwell that goes up.
Oh, this one does not, okay.
One, that one over there doesn't either.
We're running this floor.
I'm doing a lot of walking.
Yeah.
And shut up! That stairway, shut off, Mason!
All right, so that's why he was saying earlier left is blocked off. So this left up here is the only way they can get in.
Mason 1-5, that stairway, shut up!
Yeah.
Main Central.
We have medics!
Want to give it a friend?
So I mean, we're back to our spawn. There's the water tower, the radio tower.
They're right over there on that side.
Yeah, on the other side of this building.
Floor. So can we go down and cut across? I guess can we go down this stairwell to like the 2nd floor and come around?
Try it.
There's sitting there with the Dixon hands. It's not.
He walked this way. There he is.
I see them. They're in this building here.
Yeah. Got it. Just a fuck ton of us.
Dude, it's saturated down here. So this is the bottleneck.
I had a feeling.
It's gonna be hard to get in there to do anything. Is Kyle coming down or is he still up there?
He's still up there. You want to go below? I think we can go down.
Go down one more?
Go down one more. If we can't find it, just keep going down. Above and then down?
Can we open these? I don't remember.
Warning emergency.
It's locked.
I think no.
It's locked anyway.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Hey guys. I feel like we're all running into the same thing, huh?
Yeah, just chasing our tails, running up and down and up and down.
Here's the basement.
You know, fighting in the basement offers a lot of difficulties. Number 1 being fighting in the basement.
These stairs are horrible.
That's got to be friendly.
No, it's not. Hit.
We just caught fire here. We don't know if it's friendly or not from the basement.
Roll down then.
Green. Oh, there's a grenade. Head. We're hit. We're hit. We're
We're
hit.
pulling out of rags, Mike. Down.
We should probably walk up and get the fuck out of here.
Well, we're supposed to leave this area, aren't we?
If we're in a choke point, we're supposed to get the fuck out of the
I don't
way.
want to like fuck their thing up, so.
Yeah, I'm getting the fuck out of the way.
Yeah.
Let me walk in.
Dead man.
Dad, get out of the way.
Walking out of the way.
Dad coming out. Then all the dead accounted for. Look at that. Look at the turn for the big one. Damn. Oh, I want to talk to you about your extended warranty.
My ears ringing after that one. Shit.